Hi guys, I am this hotel. It's super cool that I want you to know everything about it. Let's do a room tour right now. The outside of the hotel is pretty low key, but it's not too hard to find. Everyone have to take off their shoes at this point and put your shoes in the locker. And from here, every flooring is tatami. Elevator is tatami. Wow. Luggage is already here. When you come in, there is a place for your coat and your luggage. There's the sink. On the other side is a bathroom and a very easy shower. Very cool. And have shampoo, conditioner, body soap. Very clean. It's a smart toilet. They actually have a slide door that you can open. Here is the room. Have little TV and very low chair. And I'm here by myself today, so it's just a double bed. Everything is tatami. It feels so good. And not to mention, they give you like a little bath outfit that you can wear. They gave me a large. I don't know if everyone got large or I look large, whatever. I forgot to tell you guys what it's called. It's called Onyato Dono Asakusa. There's onsen in the house that you can use from 3 p.m. till 10 a.m. And there's also breakfast that's super famous that we're going to see tomorrow morning, and they have free drinks from 2 p.m. till like 8 p.m. or something. They also have half-size noodle service that's free. And after you have onsen, you can have free icicle. This is such a cool place. I have a lot of surprises. Now it's around 4 p.m. I might head down to the onsen and kind of enjoy this day. Came back from dinner and everything, and it's around 7:30 right now. Going to onsen. I have a little bag for you. There included this onsen socks, the little towel, a big bath towel, and plastic bag. Everyone was carrying a cubby like this to onsen, and I'm going to changing to the outfit they gave me. All right, this is the onsen outfit that they gave you. It's actually really comfortable, and I actually don't know if you're supposed to wear underwear inside, so I still have my bra and underwear. Don't think you can film in there since everyone's naked. I'm just going to attach some picture from the website and tell you guys my experience after work. I just got back from the onsen. I couldn't stay too long because I'd start getting busy, but after the onsen you can get an icicle of your choice. When I went downstairs around 7:30 p.m., there was barely anyone, like only me and another lady, that's it. We walk in the door, you have to enter a password. Once you enter, you run into a big locker room and you have to get naked there. I didn't expect that, but you have to get naked at the locker room. So you have to take all your clothes and put it into the locker, and you can't bring your cubby with you. I only brought glasses, face towel, and that's it. And once you walk into the onsen area, there is shower place and a big black onsen, and then there's a little room with individual little pot onsen that you can only sit one person. It's really important that you wash yourself first, and they don't want your hair and towel be in the water. They provide you hairband and also hair cap. They also have body wash, hair wash, conditioner, and face wash even at the shower place, so you can wash yourself really clean, and then you can head over to the onsen place. Honestly, onsen was hot. My whole body got so warm that I have to take a little break. But when I was doing a room tour, I didn't see this note. Apparently there is complimentary treat inside the refrigerator. Let's go to the refrigerator and check it out. Okay, there is a little water. Nice, I'm so thirsty. There is pear pudding. Honestly, never try it. Excited. They also have quite a bit of stuff provided here. Got toothbrush, shower cap, hairband, a brush, razor kit, Q-tip, and cups, boiler, and some coffee. For now, I'm loving this place, guys. I think I paid like $100. I will list the actual amount here, but it's such a good price. Ooh. Let's try this pear pudding. Very rich pear flavor. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. I feel like I'm spoiled here. I just keep eating and eating and eating and eating. They just keep feeding me. Hi everyone, I just finished my ramen. It was so good. I mean, it's nothing fancy. There's no chashu inside. It's just seaweed, bamboo shoot, and half size of ramen. It is shoyu based. It's actually really warm. It's just like late night and you got to have ramen and it's free. You know, it feels good. It was like pretty popular. Everyone was down there and I might head to bed really soon. Not that late, but I'm really tired. I want to wake up early to go to the breakfast place so I can beat all the crowd and enjoy my own breakfast and hopefully show you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So on the way home to the hotel, I did some shopping. Not much, but I just thought I would do some unboxing with you guys. So I went to this shop called 3 Coins. Literally means 300 yen. Most of the stuff is priced 300 yen. First thing I got is this little ducky. It is so cute. I got this for my daughter. So soft. And I can't wait to just like play with her. Next, I got this little cutting board set. They actually have 4 in there. Isn't that crazy? For 300 yen. 4 really beautiful colors. I don't know if you guys have this problem. Sometimes I just want 1 apple or I just want to cut 1 cucumber. But I really don't want to use a very big cutting board to cut just 1 apple. You know, have it wash it out again. So I thought this little cutting board can help me to cut something small. Next, I got this tote bag because I didn't want to buy plastic bag. And then I got a few earrings. My ear is pretty sensitive, so I'm not sure how the 300 yen earring will treat my ear. First pair, I got this. Like a matte gold and a thick. I think it would be really cute on me. Next, I think it's super cool, like this. Look, dingling. The third pair is this. So there's actually 4 of them. And like a diamond in the flower. I have 2 both sides, so this will be perfect to have a set. Another set as well. This one is pearl plus a little diamond flower. So cute. This is so dainty, so I think it will be really good for everyday wear. The last one though is this. This one has 6 in there. This one I like it because it's like silicone in the back. All right, now I can actually head to bed. I just came back from the breakfast. Oh my gosh, there's so many things that you can grab. It's like a breakfast buffet. Sashimi, tuna, miso soup, and all kinds of Japanese style breakfast. I went downstairs like 6:30. I was the second one. And when I left, which is around 7:15, there are still spots. Definitely go early because it will be peak hours around 8:30. Because the breakfast costs 2,300 yen. It's not like the cheapest breakfast. The stuff is pretty good. I definitely think I didn't eat enough to like, you know, get the price back. I don't know. Maybe just sushi or sashimi for breakfast is a little bit too much for my stomach. I didn't feel like I can keep eating like more. There's also fruit, salad, drinks, and dessert that you can get. There are definitely cooked stuff that you can have as well. If you're looking for experiencing Japanese traditional breakfast, I think you will really like this. I don't know if I would choose to eat again because I thought I would eat more. Hope that help you guys decide. Hi, I just came back from another onsen because why not? In the morning, they give you this yogurt drink. So I went downstairs around 8:45 so I can get a little bit more onsen before I leave. And now I'm just going to get ready, check out around 10-11. My husband got me a perfume that's like feel so good. It's like a very natural scent. Alright, it's about 10 a.m. I'm about to check out. I'm going to give you an overall experience about this hotel. For cleanliness, it's spot on, like so clean. You cannot find any hair or any dust in this room. The pillow though is so thin. I'm a side sleeper. Didn't feel like my shoulder or my neck was supported and I slept not too well last night. Also because my
neighbor, I don't know which way, just keep talking until like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. That wasn't a good experience. Overall, like the hotel itself, it's really nice. I definitely recommend for people who have time to relax. Check-in time is 3 p.m. The checkout time is 11 a.m. and you get to access to the onsen unlimited time, icicle and yogurt drink in the morning, and late night snack ramen. If you can stay in the hotel a longer time instead of just sleep, then this hotel is definitely for you, because this is not like the cheapest hotel. If you stay here, it's better to experience everything they provide you. The location wise is very convenient, right behind the Asakusa, that big lantern thing. It's super convenient. All the staff is so kind and so friendly. They try to get to know me, so which make me feel more personal. For the price I pay, I would give it a maybe 8 out of 10. If the neighbor wasn't that loud, I would give it a 9 out of 10. And this is the review. I really hope this video helped you. Definitely try to book this hotel because this is so popular. I'm going to head home to my husband and baby. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!